fuego que arde tu piel. Soy el agua que mata tu sed. El castillo, la torre, yo soy la espada que guarda el caudal. Tú el aire que respiro yo. Y el
Yes, Ravi speaking.
en el mar. La
Sorry?
carga
What?
So your name is also in the list.
But how come?
The information is from your corporate office.
Are you kidding me?
No, Ravi. I am from Lateralex Solution HR department and I believe your full name is Ravishankar Prasad and your employee ID is 67828, right?
Right.
As per the information from corporate office, I am just informing you that you have to put on your paper before tomorrow 10 a.m.
But why, madam?
Hope you got it.
I'm working here for last 3.5 years and
No,
see,
this is not about your performance or something. It's about the cost optimization which is happening across the company.
cost.
So your name is on part of the list. If you can put on the paper, we will be treating it as a normal exit. This 30th May will be your last working day. If not, we will be sending you a termination letter and don't expect any other benefits from the company.
This
Include
is-
your
this is-
experience letter and unpaid notice period basic salary.
See, madam. See, what is your name, madam?
Kavita Rajendram from HR
See,
department.
Kavita, madam. At least give me till this week now. I can think about this at least. This is very unfortunate in a sudden manner. You're telling.
We cannot give that much time. That is the reason only we are calling the associates and we are communicating the information.
But how I can take it? This. What is this, madam? How it is possible for me within a day, within a minute? You're telling me to finish the exit and resign and
End of the
finish
day,
all
we are asking
formalities.
to put on the papers. If not, we
Please,
cannot treat it
see,
as a normal exit.
I'll tell you, madam. At the end of the day, only you told me to put the exit paper. Okay. See,
Yes.
but there is one thing. Last 3.5 years I'm working in,
That is what
and
I
I'm
am
not in
telling.
bench
This
at all.
is not about your performance ranking or something. This is of a cost optimization which happens across the company. You are seeing the news and everything, right?
Seeing news and everything, madam. But there is one thing, right? At least I'm a human being, right? How we can fire a person within a day or two? At least
Sir,
1 month
listen.
notice period is what I can.
Sir, listen. This is not mine. I am not authorized to give you extension or something.
See,
Okay.
to whom I need to approach then? Tell me at
Nobody
least.
you
Give
can
me,
approach.
tell
It's a
me at
corporate
least that.
decision. There is no further change in this.
Give me a chance for me to talk. Give me a chance for at least a final interview.
See, the things that I had clearly mentioned you as the call cost optimization thing. We are initiating your exit formalities and give you time till tomorrow 10 a.m. If you fail to put on the papers, we will be
Madam.
sending you a termination letter. Okay?
Madam, I'm not getting it all. This is
Sir,
very
this is as
disappointing.
per your offer letter. Company preserves all the rights to talk to the associates to leave the company at any moment by paying their unpaid basic salary. Okay. If you can just read the offer letter, it is clearly mentioned. As per the offer letter clause only, we are asking you to
Offer-
leave. It was mentioned in the offer letter. Then why did
Clearly
you accept the
mentioned
offer letter?
the-
Why did you sign each and
The
every
offer-
pages of the offer letter
I
then?
agree, but that only you are talking. I got it, but there is some consideration you should give. How can I get another job by 10 a.m.?
Beyond that,
See,
we can't give you because we have to update to the corporate team. Otherwise, the reporting time is beyond 10 a.m. They told they will send you a termination letter automatically. If that's fine with you, I don't have any problem.
that is not fine at all. Why can't we have a discussion, madam? I need some time to take a decision. See,
There is no as such flexibility for the further discussion or something. This is not about a bench case or something. This is
You
just
telling
cost
again cost
optimization
of-
thing. We have
cost of
intimated
the-
your team leaders on this.
see,
And then only we coming to the associates. Okay.
see. My God, team leaders. See, madam, I'm a married person. I'm a wife. I'm having a kid. I have debts and all. I have car loan, house loan. How? If you're telling like that in a sudden, how can I take a decision? See, please understand, please.
I understand, but nothing in my hand. It's from straight away from the corporate office. They told to close last working day as 13th May. To close the formalities, we need more than 24 hours in the tool. If you fail to put on the paper by tomorrow morning, we cannot see of any help.
I can't believe this. I can't believe
Hey,
this. See,
nothing is in my hand. What would I do? Nothing is in anybody's hand now. Your team leaders are also aware of this case. Okay. Atul Devsan and Krishnamurthy is also aware
Abdul
of
and
this
Krishna knows
case.
about this.
Yes.
See, this is very unfortunate. This is very unfortunate. I have been working for them for last 3 years, very, very dedicatedly. But finally, they.
That's what I am telling you. It's not about performance rank. It's not about business weight. It's about cost factor, cost optimization. Okay? Since it is lockdown, we will send you a person to collect your laptop. Okay? Thank you. Thank you for your service.